Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet in I-cord. It's pretty easy, but it might take some time to get a hang of it. And here are a few examples where I used the I-cord for. And it's pretty stretchy. And this is my best friend when it comes to crochet. This ring is to help ease the pain on my finger, so that the yarn is not pulling my finger anymore. I love the detail on it, and the best thing about this ring is I can choose the type of material I want. So I highly recommend it. The link is up here and also in the description box if you want to find out more. Alright, let's get started. Firstly, grab hold at the end of the tail, wrap the yarn around your finger to make a slip knot. After you made the slip knot, insert your hook into the loop and close the loop, but not too tight. Then 3 chains. That's 1, 2, and 3. On your second chain from hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Insert into the last chain, and then yarn over, pull through, and you have 3 loops on the hook. We are going to remove 2 loops from the hook and hold onto them with your fingers. Do not lose them. And then yarn over and pull through. Place the second loop back onto the hook. Oops. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and place the last loop back onto the hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and now you still have 3 loops on your hook. Remove 2 loops from hook, yarn over, pull through, place the second loop back onto the hook, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and then place the last loop back onto the hook. Yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops back on the hook. Remove 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, place the second loop back, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and then place the last loop back, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Keep repeating this until you got the length that you want. To finish it off, simply yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and 1 chain. That's it, as simple as that. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.